Hi! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from an Android device to Nokia 2.4. Firstly, open Play Store on both devices and download an app called Send Anywhere. Now open it. Click I accept. Choose Confirm, select Continue and tap on Allow. Go with Receive on Nokia and Send on an Android. Normally you need to tap on all of those dots and click Send to send all of your files and data. But I don't want to do that because it will take a lot of time, so I will just click on this one photo, select Send and tap Got it. From here there are two ways to connect. You can input password or scan QR code. If you want to scan QR code, click on the scanning icon over here on a Nokia, choose Allow and scan the code. As you can see, my file was successfully transferred. But if you want to check it out for sure, you can always go into App Files, select, in my case, Images, and tap on Send Anywhere folder. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!